This is my bike check. This is just an update because I just saw my old one and I see I don't have a bunch of the parts I put on it recently. I was just talking about them, and this is my Trust. I bought it in 2010, like last Christmas, not this recent one, but last one. And first I want to show you guys my lacing job. I fixed it. I fixed my problem. If you watch my other videos, you'll know what I'm talking about, but I don't think any of you do. See, the valve hole's in the correct position. It's very good, and I treated this with helping my dad. It's nice. If you can see that, it's We The People Supreme hub, 09 hub. It's not the switch. It's the Supreme hub. It's not very loud because I greased it. Here, 1 second. No, I'm not gonna do that. My bike's gonna fall over. This is a hazard light wheel, Odyssey. Can you see it? Yeah, it's just Odyssey hazard light right there. And I got this Fit FAF tire. Still my We The People seat. Got a nice cool thing here, some tape, because it's falling apart and breaking. Maybe I'll get one soon, maybe not. Still got these stolen bearings in here. I don't know how I did this, but it's just there. Got my premium 1948 cranks on, and these demolition pedals in like clear purple. Yeah, I've been grinded off the little, whatever these are, pegs on these, all down from stalls and stuff. Got a We The People clamp right here. I have the E-Clat pivotal seat post. KMC heavy duty chain right there. Odyssey Burlington sprocket. I knew it was Burlington. I didn't really know because Burlington, I just thought of Burlington Coat Factory, but that's what it is. It's a 25 tooth. It's pretty good, I guess. No problems. Demolition stealth stem, stock headset with forks, came on the bike. Frame, forks, and headset is the only stock piece of my bike now. It's lovely. Got the Cinema 777 wheel. It's the complete wheel. Bought it off Albs. And got the G Sport Gland MK3 hub guard with the We The People Grippin tire. I put it in the front just because it has more tread in it. I don't know. Better for turning, I don't know. Got this metal Sasquatch XLT bars for Christmas. No problems. Still have ODI long neck grips, so I'm gonna put on my purple ones once when these rip, which maybe never, because these grips are amazing. With the demolition bar ends. I don't know where I got them from, but I have demolition bar ends. And that's my bike.